I'm in my Focus. I've just got a little job to do because there's a few bits around here that are just ugly and worn. On the gear knob, I don't think the camera's picking up very well. We can kind of see there all this scratching, peeling. So it's just looking old and worn. So I want to replace that. Down here on this trim piece surrounding the gear stick, I don't know what's happened there, but whether it's part of the plastic peeling up maybe, but it just looks ugly, just looks messy. So I'm going to try and replace this as well. And then I have a new Gaiter as well, I'll have at it. It's got some red stitching. It does have an ST logo on, which might be a bit tacky for some, but oh well.
All you need to do to remove the gear knob is unscrew it. We can then unclip this chrome piece that holds the Gaiter in place and get that out of the way. And then this surrounding trim piece is just going to pry up as well. You're going to want to be careful as you're prying things up just to avoid scratching anything. I'm replacing it all, so it doesn't really matter.
This is interesting. It actually says right hand drive here underneath that trim. It's interesting to me anyway. It's a bit messy, so I'm just going to have a quick clean up before I get on with replacing parts.
The new trim piece just presses into place. To replace the Gaiter, we need to unclip the old Gaiter from the chrome surround and clip the new one in. It takes a bit of fiddling, but here it is, all in place, and then we can reinstall it. The trick here is to press the chrome surround in at the back first, and then it should come down at the front as well. Once that's done, we can install the new gear knob by just screwing it back into place. That took all of 5 minutes and it's made a massive difference to how the interior of the car looks.
So there we're done. Look how much better that is. This gear stick, or the gear knob, is actually slightly different in terms of shape, so I'll have to see whether I like that or not, but in terms of the condition of it, it's so much better. Like, you can see all the scratches and the peeling on this one. This is clean. Bit of a wear mark on this liner on the outside, but compared to the old one, it's much better. Nice red trim, red stitching on the new Gaiter. Some people might not like that, might think it's a bit garish, but I quite like it, to be honest. And then this surround piece, no more scuff on it. It's in good condition, so that's much better. I'm quite happy with that for all of 10 minutes work.